Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BJ's credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your BJ's credit card account, you can simply open up a web browser on a mobile device. In the web address bar, type in d.community.net/bjs and search. You'll end up on the site from where you can easily sign in and access to your account. Tap on the sign in button at the top of the screen, which will bring up the login area on the next page. Right where it says username, type in your username associated with your credit card account. On the next field, type in a password. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials on this particular device, tap on the Remember Me box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device, and make sure to log out after you are done. If you've forgotten your password or your username, tap on Forgot Username/Password right beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions. Finally, click on the sign in button in order to access to your BJ's credit card. That is how you can easily log into your BJ's credit card account right from your mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.